In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a LinkedIn step to a Lemlist campaign. First, log into your Lemlist account and open the campaign where you want to add your LinkedIn action. Once you're inside the campaign editor, look for the Sequence Steps section. Click the plus button to add a new step to your campaign. From the list of available actions, choose LinkedIn. Lemlist will then show you different LinkedIn actions you can use, such as visiting a profile, sending a connection request, or sending a LinkedIn message. Select the action you want to add. For example, if you want to send a connection request, click Invite on LinkedIn. Next, customize the message if needed. You can use variables like the prospect's first name to personalize your outreach and make it feel more natural. After that, set the delay timing for when this LinkedIn step should happen. For example, you can schedule it to run 1 or 2 days after your first email step. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your LinkedIn step is now added to the campaign sequence. You can continue building your workflow by adding more email, call, or LinkedIn actions to create a multi-channel outreach campaign. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.